Dictator government right now, last 12 years, they just kept one of the famous lady, 3 times prime minister. They putting the false and fabricated case against her, and she is just house arrest last